All right, so I am so grateful for living in this day because we have ChatGPT that can build trading algorithms for us. So we're gonna dive right in here. Um, Essentially, what I do is I build different algos every single day to improve my trading and yeah, to pretty much generate alpha in the market. So I share this because I'm trying to build a community. It's 100% free, got nothing to sell you, inside a Discord where it's a bunch of quants and algo traders that kind of share information. So it's awesome. We've got 3,000 plus people. But let's go ahead and say, please build me a backtest using backtesting.py that buys BTC when there is a large spike in volume and the price is going down. And then I'm going to copy that over. And let's say something. Please explain to me a trading strategy that buys. Perfect. So I have Luxy over here explaining what we're doing, and I have ChatGPT over here coding what we're doing. I could use them inversely if I want. The same thing pretty much. A trading strategy that buys BTC when there's a large spike in volume and the price is going down can be achieved through an algorithmic trading strategy. Here are some of the next steps. So we identify large volume spikes. So that's going to be the first thing we do in this backtest we build. And hopefully you can see here ChatGPT built out a pretty simple one. It's using volume, which is good. And you can see it's an average of the volume. And then if it gets bigger than the average, okay, good. So let's read over here on the right side again. Check for a downtrend. So I'm looking for a downtrend and then a volume spike. And then we want to have our stop loss and we want to monitor and adjust. So let's use this code and this explanation by Luxy AI in order to build something out here. And let's go ahead and call this volume spike, vol spike, backtest. And for me, this is my process, and that's why I'm just showing it to you because, you know, if this helps you do anything, that's awesome because this is a free YouTube video, right? So let's go ahead and import some of this stuff that ChatGPT gave us. I want to make another couple imports as well from backtesting. Yeah, we want that. And we want, we got pandas already. So let's go ahead and say class. Well, I guess I can just use this. Copy that over. So I like to use ChatGPT and Luxy in order to kind of build out like templates for me. And that's why I still think you need to know how to code. But this is like, I wish I had this when I first got started, right? So we'll say self.buy. Buy price equals none. And then from there, we'll go ahead and say def next self. I'm looking at ChatGPT right here. And it spits out a bunch of stuff, but I doubt that it's gonna get exactly what we want. So if the volume is 10% or more, let's go ahead and start coding this out. We'll say if self.data.volume -1, if that's less than 0.9 multiplied by self.data.volume in the -2 position, sorry, -12, -2. And then what else do we want to have here? And we're not in position, of course, and not self.position. Then we'll go ahead and we'll make a buy order. And that looks great to me. So I'm using GitHub Copilot, as you can see. Just helps me code faster. Let's do elif here. Self.position and crossover of self.data.close and self.buy price multiplied by not quite what they said, but we'll do 0.2. 1.02. And then we'll actually have a self.close, or cell, sorry. Okay. And now we just need to import the data. So we got the trading strategy set up, and now I'm super curious to see how this does. So let's grab this data here from this other file. As you can see, I backtest every single day, no matter what, because in my mind, even my working strategies are going to deteriorate at some point. And if they don't, that's awesome. But if they do, I've got so many more. And I try to just put them in Discord and give it to the family. So I do invite you to that Discord. You can see here, okay, it only took one trade, so I don't love it already. It's obviously in a drawdown as well. You can see the return is 54% versus the 57 buy and hold. But let's look at the Sharpe ratio, trash. Sorrentino, trash. Max drawdown, 77%. I want to try this on a different set of data because this data is a 6-hour data, I believe. Let's try it on this 5-minute data. But I have a data source that people in the Discord know about. Feel free to jump in there and ask about it. This is going to take a little bit longer. Okay, so method, got unexpected. Oh, so is this just a warning? Too many candlesticks to plot. Okay, I get it. So it's just too many candlesticks to plot. You can see this return is minus 28, which is better than the buy and hold. Now I'm curious, what is this data from? Because that is, oh, it's from 2022. So here is 2015, 5-minute data. We're gonna get the same error. That's going to be just too much for it because this is like 7, 8 years. I don't even know. No. What are we in 23? 2015 is a long time ago. This is going to take forever to test though. So I'm probably not even going to let it run. I'm going to look at this on my own. If you want to see part 2 to this, maybe I'll just put the, never mind. I'll take that back. It's right here. Exposure time is 99%. Again, it only took one trade. So this is, I think there's something going on in our back test here that we want to change because this isn't quite a strategy in my opinion. You know, it's the same return as the buy and hold. It's because it only took one trade. So maybe we'll dive deeper into this and see what's going on there later. But let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this, and we'll dive deeper into this volume spike strategy. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you in the Discord. It's free. Got nothing to sell you. Just want to build out this community as big as possible because then we all win and nobody else is sharing this information. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. Talk to you soon.